8x8 refill pages come in packs of 12. You have 4 color choices, including white, black, natural, and Spargo. Within your pack, when you unbox it, you will notice you have a 12-pack of page protectors. These page protectors are clear covers that go directly over the page to preserve your finished pages for generations. You'll notice that an 8x8 white refill can fit 2 4x6 photos. You'll notice the durable edge and also the 2 stitches. This means that the 8x8 refill pages work within 8x8 Creative Memories albums. Now, when you're making a choice on your page size, I want to show you the difference between 12x12 and 8x8. Here you'll see the 12x12 has 4 4x6 photos and the 8x8 has 2 4x6 photos. Which page size you choose just depends on your project and your page needs. Also in the 8x8 size, we have side-loading pages. These side-loading pages come with, again, the 2 stitches in the durable side. They are also made in Minnesota in the USA. And when you're ready to use that side-loading page, you will simply remove this piece of white cardstock and you will slip in your finished 8x8 page. So whether you choose to scrapbook as a finished page or you choose the white refill and scrap directly onto the page, there is a choice for you in the 8x8 Creative Memories album system.